calling their children's bosses. Helicopter parents evolve in Korea. South Korea's low birth rate, failing economy, and familism values contribute to rise in overparenting parents. A team manager at a major conglomerate in South Korea, recalled a recent phone call that she received after an end-of-year team dinner that baffled her. An angry call made not from her co-worker, but from the co-worker's mother. Over the phone, the mother scolded me for creating a heavy drinking environment, claiming that my colleague doesn't do well with alcoholic drinks, said her. She also demanded me to let my colleague take a day off so that they can recover from their hangover. Her is the only person in Korea who has noted receiving such call from the parents of young adults. Lee, a university professor, also said that he had received several calls from students' parents requesting Lee to move his lectures to a lower floor to help their child get to class easier, or to expand the maximum student quota for his courses to make sure their child get to take the necessary courses. It hasn't happened to me yet, but a fellow professor in my department also told me that he received a call from one student's parent demanding him to raise the student's grades, Lee mentioned. Lee added, "It's not unusual for me or the other professors to receive such requests from the students themselves, but there has been a recent unusual increase in the number of parents making the request on the students' behalf. University students are students, but they are also adults. Shouldn't they be perfectly capable of making such requests or demand on their own? What are helicopter parents?" Beyond these cases, the phenomenon of overparenting has become a prominent topic of discussion in Korea. Professors and corporate human resources managers alike have reported encounters with so-called helicopter parents. The term helicopter parents, defined as parents who hover over their children like a helicopter and take an overprotective or excessive interest in their children's lives, was popularized in the 1990s to refer to overparenting parents of adolescents. Helicopter parents have evolved to a new form in Korea, where parents are beginning to overly involve themselves in their adult children's lives in the workplace or universities.